Sullivan Paper Company started a little over 75 years ago by my grandparents, so we're a third generation manufacturer here in Massachusetts. We started off making decorative covering paper for cigar boxes and shoe boxes and a number of other boxes, but as the industry changed, we changed with it, and now we make decorative covering papers for picture frames and mat boards and mailing tubes, as well as decorative boxes such as candy boxes, pen boxes, watch boxes, and boxes for the cosmetic industry. And as it continued to change, we got into printing gift wrap paper. So about half what we do is gift wrap and the other half is decorative covering papers. We are a rotogravure and flexographic printer, which those are printing processes that we use on big wide web printing presses. And the process you're going to see today, we're going to put a really big roll of paper on a printing press, and we're going to run 5 colors in register to make a wrapping paper. We print using environmentally friendly water-based inks, and the printing press is going to have the 5 colors in register, and then the paper comes off of that printing press, goes through an inspection step, and then we're going to do some value added by putting an embossing texture on it, and we can do other converting steps, including shipping big rolls or little rolls or sheets. The paper you're going to see today being processed is going to be printed, embossed and textured, and then run through another machine to make a small roll like this that can be sold at resale level. The products we make are important because they help our customers sell their products, whether they're games or the products that are in the decorative boxes, as well as gift wrap, because everybody loves to get a gift and everybody loves to see the joy on a child's face when they open a gift on their birthday or at Christmas, and it makes the Christmas tree look so much better. And the other reason it's important is that it keeps 160 employees' families busy, and then all the other jobs of the local people who support our industry. So we're a local manufacturer keeping people working here in the local environment.